What up, Cardano holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, friends, once again, I'm present with the latest update of Cardano. My friends, what's going on in this time in Cardano? Absolutely, my friends, that is the latest update you're watching now on the screen. And remember, that is the live update you're watching now on the screen. So you are watching this time the Cardano last 1 hour price chart. And this time, absolutely, my friends, when I see this kind of chart, so I want to share my pleasure with all of you. Absolutely, you will also feel happy to watching this video because in this video the Cardano starts jumping, so I'm very happy. Anyways, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and latest update videos, my friends. You can see that is the last 1 hour price chart of the Cardano, so that's me. That absolutely. Now this time the chain is going positive, chain is going good because the last 1 hour they take a huge pump. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positions occur in the Cardano. And you can see here price change is positive 2.15% and the highest price is 1.7 USD dollar. Very soon you are going to head to USD dollar. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.